garden right on the edge of zones 5 and 6 in Ohio. And I garden outside and I also garden inside, as you can see behind me. But today I got a package in the mail from Crest Gardens, and these are succulents, and let's check it out. The reason that I wanted to do this video is because it's cold here. We've had an unseasonably cold weather. I've had frost several times already, I think up to 3. And these come from California. So I was really concerned about them sitting in the cold in a truck. And I'll tell you how I kind of handle that. This comes with a little card. Isn't it cute? That is just a cute, cute card. And this has my packing slip. It has, this little book tells you about cuttings and how to take care of them, winter care, summer care, which succulent is right for you. So that's a cute little book. Oh, and on the back there's a 10% off coupon. Nice. Okay, so lots of paper. Let's see, I'm excited. I've never ordered succulents through the mail before. I've always just been kind of picking them up at Lowe's when they're on clearance, because that is my thing. Okay, so I mentioned that it's cold here, and I was really concerned about them getting here. Yeah, you can see a little bit. This is a, tells me what plant is in which row. The names of all the plants, which is really nice to know. This is a free succulent. It's a mystery bonus. Let's see what this is. I hope it's a cute one. These are tiny. It's a tiny little thing, but that's okay. It just says bonus mystery succulent on that little tag. There's a little. Oh, I have some of these already, so not a big surprise for me, but that's okay. We can grow it. So what I ordered was a plug tray of 49 different echeverias. I think that's how you say it. It's how I've been saying it, echeveria. Oh, so how I got it here and how it was protected, I have the option of buying a heat pack. It's right here. And it's still warm. The box itself, the succulents feel a little cool, but this is still kind of warm. I have no idea what's in there. Kind of hard. Anyhow, I don't know if one of them, like if I ordered, so it's October right now, middle of October, very cool here for this time of year for us. And I don't know if I would need more of those if I ordered like in December or January or February. Before I order more, I will talk to them about that. So let's see if we can get these out of here. Aren't they cute? Look how cute. Look how cute they are. Okay. All these papers. It would have been nice if there was like a sheet of tissue paper over top of these, so I wouldn't have to pick all this out. But that's okay. I can do some of that later. One of them just fell out. So this is a plug tray. Oh, that guy's cold. A plug is just a small, can you see? You see how tiny that is? This is where they grow the cuttings on to a certain size. I will pot these up into a little bigger pot. Look at that one. So I'll have to say, what's my favorite? I don't know. This says, oh yeah, Echeveria plug tray. So I got them on sale. There's some little babies, some little baby leaves down here, which we can try to root those. There's a little bit of dirt in the box. Now it's on my table. So anyhow, I'm pleased with those, very pleased. There's a little bit of dirt there, but they look okay. So that one's really cold. I think they'll probably be okay. I probably will be able to tell in a few days if there's been any cold damage to them. This is, it was like $5, I think, extra, but worth it to save your plants because they are very reasonably priced when you get them in this size. So I forgot to mention these were shipped to me FedEx and they came in 2 days. So actually kind of like a day and a half from the time they shipped them because I got them early afternoon, real early afternoon. Anyhow, I thought I would tell you what each one of these are by using this list that they sent along with them. So this first one, I'll get you a close up, is they're all Echeverias, and if I'm saying that wrong, you can sure let me know. This is Fleur Blanc. Look at that cuteness. This one, I love this dark one. I have a little teeny tiny piece of one of these, and so I'm glad to see these because I was having trouble growing it. And this is Melico. Cute. I love the florets. This one is Pearly von Nurnberg, and I do have a bunch of these already, but they are, they propagate very, very easy. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Some of these, they need, I think I'm going to water them really well, give them a drink of water. This one's looking a little like it's thirsty. These are Morning Beauty. This one, I'm loving this next one. This next one is Muesli. It's M-E-U-S-L-I. Got a little shadow going on in there. I hope those are clear for you. Then we have Green Burgundy. Cute little rosette, nice green. This will make a really cute Christmas decoration because it's so green. I bought some globes to make little hanging terrariums with. And so that'll be really cute in there. I'll put some little white rocks in there and some red ribbon. They'll be really cute. This one is Azulita. Cuteness. Oh, I just love these. So this list, let's see if I can get it close. I think this is going to be backwards for you. Anyhow, it has the degrees after it, which I'm sure that means that's the low temperature, which it says 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So I don't know how cold it got last night. I know these were in, they came to like Dayton area and at FedEx place. So it could have been, I'm guessing they probably got off a plane from California to here to get here in 2 days. So it was pretty cold last night. I know yesterday I was watering in the morning and it was 37 degrees and that's just way too cold. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you decide whether or not you want to order plants or order succulents when it's cold outside. These seem to be doing okay, and if you know someone else that could benefit from this information, please share the video with them. I hope you have a super, super awesome day, and thank you so much for watching.